how to fix VoLTE option not showing on your iPhone. So if you want to fix your VoLTE option is not showing on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your settings application. After opening your settings, you'll get this kind of interface. Scroll down a bit and then go with general. Now under general, you need to scroll down and then go with about section. And here you will have all of your information, right? Just open this interface and then wait for 10 seconds and then you will get an update option. You will have career settings update. If that pop-up has come, you need to just simply go and update it. If not, you can go back, go with software update and tap on update now if you have any updates. After updating, your problem might be fixed. But even after updating, if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to scroll down from general and then go with transfer reset iPhone and then tap on reset, which will be on the bottom, and reset all of your network settings or reset all of your settings. You won't lose anything. Once done, you can also just simply go and restart your device. After restarting, you can go back, go and select your mobile section. From here, you can just simply go and select your network selection. Make sure that it's automatic. Go with mobile data options and then tap on voice and data. And here you will find the VoLTE option. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.